What makes a house a home is the feeling you get when you step into the house. A place where you can unwind, unleash, recharge, relax, and just be yourself. And that is why home is where the heart is. In the house, there's a mixture of modern elements, trendy yet classy. I like it white, clean, and timeless. Hello! Welcome to my home! The first thing that greets you is my digital lock. It can synchronize the door lock and gate lock together. The peephole of the door is digital as well. It makes things much more convenient when I can use the app on my phone to see who's at the door, even when I'm not at home. There's also an intercom so I can communicate with any delivery man at the door. This used to be a storeroom and this was a room. But I've decided to knock down everything so the whole living area will be much bigger and natural sunlight can flow through from one end to the other end. When I have friends or family staying over, the foldable partition and blinds can be extended down to create a cozy room for my guests. Storage is very important to me as I have a lot of stuff and some are quite bulky. As I wanted to remove the storeroom and not compromise on storage, my ID from Aartbox Interior suggested that we do a flushed wall of cabinets. I love that it provides me with ample space while looking clean and stylish too. I love these custom curved doors as they bring a feel of elegance and softness to the design of my home. Come, let me show you my secret space. My work desk is hidden so the whole wall will look neat and complete. My house is a common corridor unit. I chose this honeycomb blind which looks very aesthetic. Natural sunlight can come in and I can also enjoy privacy at the same time. I use the app on my phone to set automation for the blinds to go up or to go down. Coming to the favorite part of my house. I chose these colonial style tiles for my kitchen and took inspiration from a resort in Phuket where I celebrated my birthday some time back. I loved the resort's design and had a very memorable trip, so I decided to bring a little bit of that touch back home. This fridge is my favorite appliance in the house. It's a bespoke fridge from Samsung. I can choose different colors on the panel and how many doors I want. And it's very big. Take a look! I always wanted to have a big fridge because I love to cook and it makes me feel complete when I see there's a lot of food and drinks in it. Oh, there's an ice maker too! This is a piece of furniture that I'm very proud to own in my house. It's a little movable island table with induction cooker. I can have a mini hot pot session while chilling and eating in the kitchen. It can also be moved out to the dining area as an extra table space if I host my friends over. I like to have my cup of tea here in the daytime because I get to enjoy the sunlight shining in, and Soju will be waiting for me here because this is where I kept all her treats. For the bathroom, I decided to go with a darker tone for a more relaxing vibe. It's the place where I wind down, rejuvenate in the shower and do my skincare, so it's so important that it feels super comfortable. Initially, this apartment has 2 small toilets. I feel that it's very congested, so I knocked down the walls and combined 2 toilets into 1 bigger bathroom. I have a little corner for Soju where her toiletries are kept. There's a painting I did of her on the wall and it's where she does her business too. For my master bedroom, I wanted a hotel kind of vibe and had lighting installed in the bed head and platform to enhance that feeling of luxury. The Chinese have a traditional saying that it's not auspicious to have the bed facing a mirror. So my Aartbox ID suggested that we do a sliding mirror that can be kept when not in use.
How? You like my house? I'm so happy that I have my house made into a smart home. It's all made possible with Ganen. All switches are wireless connected switch. As long as there's Wi-Fi in the house, it works.
The switches can be placed anywhere in the house. Having a smart home is super convenient, especially when I'm out. I can use the Ganen app to control the lights, aircon, curtains, and water heater. It's great when I'm not home and able to turn on the aircon for my dog when it's a super hot and humid day.
Oh no, I think we are running late. Let's get going.